We New Yorkers used to tolerate him when he was just another grubby real estate hustler masquerading as a big shot, a two-bit playboy lying his way into the tabloids. We don't want to wake up after the election saying, what, again? My God, what the hell have we done?
Tom, you're gonna let him get away with that? You're gonna let this fucking punk get away with that? What's the matter? What's the world coming to?
This is infrared, and we're in Lower Manhattan, so you don't have to be. It's Thursday, May 16th at exactly 9 o'clock a.m. And, well, does this need any further explanation? A gray day in many senses. Temperature in the upper 50s, windy. Are there enough vehicles? Part of his entourage? Okay, so here across the street is, of course, the location of Donald Trump's criminal trial for election interference, hush money, whatever. And right across the street here in the federal courthouse is the criminal trial of Senator Menendez of New Jersey. The most pressing question, will they lunch together? So the newer federal courthouse, I don't know, there's an old federal courthouse and a new federal courthouse. That was the new one. And we'll go around the corner and see the old federal courthouse. I don't know which of the two the Menendez trial is taking place in. Sorry about the dangling preposition. And why are these correction buses here? Oh, now I think when we arrived here 10 minutes ago, pedestrians were not allowed to enter Center Street going north. But I guess now that Mr. Trump has arrived, it's safe to do so. Okay. Let's just get a look at some of the media encampment. My favorite NYPD police car. Okay, so here we have the big budget operations. And that's the 12 Angry Men courthouse. Official name. And there's the old federal courthouse. So, again, I don't know which of the two, in which of the two the Menendez trial is taking place. But finally, let's just take a look in Collect Pond Park, because we did come here on the morning of the opening of the Trump trial when jury selection was just beginning. And the park was full, I would say, half journalists, and then the other half was divided between small groups of demonstrators, both, or demonstrators, yeah, for and against Trump. Okay. Oh, I just want to walk north.
We're going to Lafayette and make a right, okay?
Thank you. So, I think as we did on opening day of jury selection, these people are walking, but we'll do what they say. We'll go up Lafayette and enter Collect Pond Park from Lafayette. And here, by the way, is 125 Worth Street, which is Sanitation Department headquarters, built, I think, in 1933. And here is the former entrance to the former Worth Street station of the number 6 train. There was a separate station at Worth Street, and this was and the station existed since 1904. This building was built in 1933, and it was built with a subway entrance in it. I'm guessing this would have been for the uptown side only. Alright, so still a fair amount of media interest. I'm presuming more for the Trump trial than the Menendez trial. Or maybe this is how the local news improves its productivity, by covering both with the same trucks. Okay, and here we see the massive turnout. Simply massive. The the Manhattan House of Detention, also belovedly called the Tombs, which is now being demolished to make way for a new Lower Manhattan-based jail as part of the planned closure of Rikers Island. So here we are with many more journalists than spectators or protesters, or, well, no one's protesting. Some are just here. This is infrared. This is what you've been watching.